Bannockton, greetings to Inzigilk, learn Manx. And in this part of our series, this episode, we're going to be talking about the past tense, or the past tense of the verb to be. Tammy, I am. Vami, I was. And we're going to use J this time for yesterday. And again, in this particular one, we're going to stick to using adjectives such as corrie for angry, taruk for busy, manra happy, skurit drunk. Okay, anyway, we'll try them out using J for yesterday. Hayley, rau skurit J. Were you drunk yesterday? Rau skurit J.
Harau me skurit J.
Okay.
Rau skurit J.
Harau me skurit J. Harau me skurit J.
Nac rau?
Harau. Rau re gori skurit J.
They
They
skurit J.
Scameltack. Rau Joni skurit J.
Harau.
Yeah. Tummy tickle. Rau mananin skurit J.
They skurit J, yes.
As well. Scameltack. Rau ski tide. Rau ski J.
Harau me ski J.
Rau mananin ski J.
They ski J. They skurit as they ski.
Rau Joni ski J.
Harawi.
Harau. As re gori. Rau a skurit J. Oh, gamaleshal. Rau ski. Rau a ski J.
They ski as they skurit yes.
Scameltack. Rau manra J.
Oh, vami manra J.
Yindasack. As rau mananin manra J.
Oh, they manra.
Yeah. Rau skurit.
They skurit as they manra.
Tammy tickle. Rau Joni manra.
Oh, V.
As rau rigori manra.
Harau.
Harau. Nac rau. Ach, a try, alas, a try.
Yeah, they corrie.
Rawe.
Aye, they corrie J. They skurit as they corrie.
Tammy tickle. Hayley, rau uns doulish J.
Harau. Harau me uns doulish J.
Rau uns pitlamura J.
Oh, vami uns put in hinge.
Harau me uns put na hinge, vami uns put lamura. So rau uns put lamura.
Vami uns put lamara as vami uns put na hinge yes.
You understand. Rau Joni uns cronesh J.
Te kummel uns cronesh is so V kummel.
Yeah.
Uns cronesh.
Yeah, so V uns cronesh J. You understand. As rau mananin uns colby J.
Harau.
Okay. Rau re gori uns colby J.
They.
Yeah.
They uns colby.
Okay. So cred ver mananin J.
Well, the mananin uns put na hinge J.
Okay.
As they uns rumzen yes.
Okay, Tammy tickle. Well, vami uns put lamura J. I was in Port St Mary yesterday as vami uns manin J, and I was in the Isle of Man yesterday. Well, that's it from our third lesson about the past, using the past tense. Good mind, Hayley.
Oh, nabaveg.